I've always struggled with my profile in photos, and I'm a singer and I'm a teacher, so I do a lot of speaking and singing and vocalizing, and my jaw position is not optimal, and I know that based on symptoms that I have when I'm working, symptoms that I have after I'm working, and then it is probable that I'm having some sleep issues related to it as well. I don't get a lot of headaches per se, but I do have a sense of tension in my jaw area, and I struggle with, well, what is the best position for my jaw when I want to sing a very high note, or when I want to project my voice a certain way, and if I'm not careful, it just fatigues a lot. The other time that I really am aware of my chin position is in certain yoga postures. The chin comes toward the neck, and I feel a sense of my airway being cut off, and it's not comfortable. So what I have to do to perform that posture is to jut my teeth forward, and then I can breathe. When I researched ways I could make my profile look better, those solutions are very different from dealing with my bite position, and Dr. Muslin's website was the one that combined all of it together. I'm thrilled with the width of my smile now. The appearance of my teeth is much improved. I've never enjoyed photos of me because I don't think of myself as photogenic, but the reason for that really is it's the angle. It depends on where the camera is. So the camera's in front, I usually like the picture a lot. I feel like I'm well represented by that. But if the camera catches my profile, or I would always get this sinking feeling like, oh, I hate that picture. So having my natural chin be in the right place to balance my profile out, it feels really good. The first 8 or 12 hours, it does not feel like your teeth, but it's comfortable. It's just very obviously something new in your mouth to contend with. I joked to my mom that it was like chewing with someone else's mouth, but I would say after 2 or 3 meals and the tweaks that Dr. Muslin does so efficiently, I just recently had my lunch and felt like I was chewing with my own teeth. So it's been, what, 24 hours? All of the staff here is so warm and friendly and knowledgeable. There were a couple points where I had extra questions and they were, answered immediately. So you just feel really cared for. I felt really cared for. Dr. Muslin is so incredibly competent. He just made me feel at ease. I was ready to make this decision. And then I was financially able to make this decision. And to that crowd of people, I would say, go for it.